Welcome to our channel Computer Science Tech. So in this video I would like to explain the difference between sorted function and sort method in the list. So these two are used to sort a particular list elements. So we have two different function to do same thing. So why we have? So one is a function, one is a method. So why we need these two to do same thing? So here we have some difference, guys. So I will explain this difference between these two with an example. For that I will take a one list with the data type name or variable name L. So here the elements contains 10. I am taking some elements. I am taking. These are the some elements we have. So in list, so total elements we have 6 elements we have, right? Clear? So here these two sort, one thing we have to observe, the element should be, the list element should be integer or it may be a float data type, should be. So because we can sort the values of this integer type, or we can sort values of float data type. The values should not be string data type. So if it is string, we can't sort now, we can't make the comparison between the two values, right? So the element or values should be the same data type. The same data type means it may be have integer data type or float data type. So that's it, first thing. So we have to observe here. So we will see first sorted function. So here, so we have to know sorted is a function which it is the sorted elements of the list. Sorted elements of the list. It's a function. It is the sorted element of the list, but it won't change the existence element in the given list. It won't make any changes on existent elements in the given list. So let's see. So how we write the code for sorted function. So already told you guys, sorted function returns the sorted elements of the list. Okay, that means this function you have to should write in it returning some values now. So you have to write this function in print function. So print of sorted function, right? sorted, sorted of and list variable L, right? So it returns the value. So I am running this program. So I am running this one. So then you will get the output like this. So this is the list values, and here we are having the output for the sorted of L function. Sorted of L, right? This is the output for, like this we will use sorted function. Clear? So here I am printing the list again. So see, look, observe what will be the list values. So guys, here the existing list won't be changed, so it will be the same, right? Sorted function only returns the sorted list elements. sort करके वो आपको उसका वैल्यू सॉर्टिंग में असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में दिखाई देगा. These are the output for this line, this function, this statement, and this is for here the last statement. So print, it won't changes on the list element. Clear? This is the sorted function. So for example, I want to get I don't want to make any changes on the list, and I want to get the sorted elements. At that time you have to use this function. So we don't go for the sort method, right? For example, I want to get the elements I want to sort the elements of the list in reverse order. So for that, so after mentioning the here variable, so we have a one parameter we have to pass to get the elements in the reverse order. So for that we have to use comma and reverse. We have a reverse property here, reverse equal to true, TRUE. Here T is a capital, already you know true is a keyword, so T should be a capital. So this is the parameter I have to pass, reverse equal to true. So by default reverse is a false. So that's why it will we are getting the output in ascending order. If you execute this program, so then you will observe the output what we have. So here, so in reverse order we have sorted the elements of the list. This is the sorted function, right? So now we go for sort method. Here sort method, here guys, sort is a method guys. L dot sort, I am writing here L dot sort. So I am writing like this. So print, I am printing the L here. So and first I will print L here, list here, before sort. L here, and I am printing L after sort for observation purpose. So I mentioned these two statements, before sort, after sort. Clear? First I will execute these two. So I will execute all the statements of the this programs. So observe the output guys. So I am printing one here guys. Here statement list is defined here. So we will we can see the list element what we have in the given list. So we will see here, and after this sorting, so the list will be guys, this sort method, it will sort all the elements of the list, and it will make changes on existing list. Clear? So guys, it won't return, sort method doesn't return any value. So that's observe, please keep that in mind. So I am running this program. Let's observe the output guys. Here before sort, here I get the list values what same thing as it is what I have mentioned. Okay, after the sort method, so I get that the list values after sorting and displaying in ascending order, 10, 20, 30, 60, 80, 90. This is the difference guys, main difference. Sorted function is it to sort the elements. So we can sort in any order, ascending order or descending order, we can sort the elements, but it won't affect to the existing list. Okay, but here sort method is it to sort the existing list elements. Okay, so this is the main thing guys. Clear? For example, I want to sort the value, I want to sort the entire list, so in reverse order. For that we have to pass the parameter, same thing guys, reverse equal to true. So then you will get output in reverse order, then you will get the list elements in the reverse order. This is the L element, right? So here after sort, the values will be sort, and it will stored in same element again. Okay, this is the guys difference between sort and sorted in list. So please keep in mind, it's a very important guys. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, thank you.